Imagine stepping into a world where you can be anyone, do anything, and go anywhere. Or, picture your everyday reality enhanced with digital information, seamlessly integrated into your surroundings. Welcome to the fascinating realms of virtual reality and augmented reality. Hey everyone, welcome back to Is a Trend. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated with the latest trends. Today, we're diving into the exciting worlds of virtual reality and augmented reality. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what sets these two technologies apart and how they are transforming our lives. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about virtual reality, or VR. VR is a fully immersive experience where you enter a completely digital world. By wearing a VR headset, you can explore virtual environments, interact with digital objects, and even play games as if you're actually there. Think of popular VR games like Beat Saber or Half-Life Alyx. These games transport you to another world, making you feel like you're part of the action. VR technology uses headsets equipped with screens and sensors to track your movements and adjust the virtual environment accordingly. This creates a sense of presence, making you feel like you're truly inside the virtual world. Some advanced VR systems also include hand controllers and motion tracking to enhance the interactivity. Now let's move on to augmented reality, or AR. Unlike VR, Arkansas overlays digital information onto the real world. This means you can still see your physical surroundings, but with added digital elements. One of the most well-known examples of AR is Pokémon Go. This game allows you to see and catch Pokémon in the real world using your smartphone. Another example is AR navigation apps that show directions overlaid on the real world through your phone's camera. AR technology uses cameras and sensors to detect the real-world environment and overlay digital content on top of it. This can be done through smartphones, tablets, or AR glasses. The digital content can include anything from simple text and images to complex three-dimensional models and animations. So what are the key differences between VR and AR? Let's break it down. Immersion VR offers a fully immersive experience, while AR enhances the real world with digital overlays. Equipment VR typically requires a headset, while AR can be experienced through smartphones, tablets, or AR glasses. Applications VR is great for gaming, virtual tours, and training simulations. AR is used in navigation, education, and interactive marketing. VR creates a completely new environment that isolates you from the real world, providing a sense of escapism. In contrast, Arkansas enhances your real-world experience by adding useful information or interactive elements. This makes AR more suitable for applications where you need to stay aware of your surroundings. Now let's explore how VR and AR are being used in our daily lives. Education VR. Imagine attending a history class where you can walk through ancient Rome or explore the surface of Mars. VR makes learning interactive and immersive. AR apps can overlay information on textbooks, making learning more engaging. For example, an AR app can bring a biology textbook to life by showing three-dimensional models of the human body. VR in education allows students to experience historical events, scientific phenomena, and complex concepts in a way that traditional methods can't match. AR, on the other hand, can provide real-time information and interactive elements that make learning more engaging and effective. Healthcare VR is used for pain management, physical therapy, and even surgical training. Surgeons can practice complex procedures in a risk-free virtual environment. AR can assist surgeons during operations by overlaying critical information on their field of view, improving precision and outcomes. VR can create calming environments for patients undergoing treatment, helping to reduce pain and anxiety. In physical therapy, VR can provide interactive exercises that make rehabilitation more enjoyable. AR can enhance surgical precision by providing real-time data and visual guides during procedures. Retail VR virtual stores allow customers to browse and shop from the comfort of their homes. Brands like IKEA use VR to let customers visualize furniture in their homes. AR apps let you try on clothes or see how furniture will look in your space before making a purchase. This enhances the shopping experience and reduces returns. VR shopping experiences can replicate the feel of a physical store, allowing customers to explore products in a virtual space. AR apps can provide a more personalized shopping experience by allowing customers to see how products will look and fit in their real-world environment. Entertainment VR offers immersive gaming experiences and virtual concerts where you can feel like you're part of the crowd. AR enhances live events by providing real-time stats and information. For example, sports fans can see player stats overlaid on the field during a game. VR can transport you to fantastical worlds and provide experiences that are impossible in the real world. AR can enhance live events by providing additional information and interactive elements that make the experience more engaging and informative. Work and collaboration. VR, virtual meetings and collaborative workspaces allow teams to meet and work together from anywhere in the world. This is especially useful for remote teams. AR can enhance productivity by providing real-time information and instructions. For example, Arkansas Glasses can guide technicians through complex repairs. VR can create virtual offices where remote teams can collaborate as if they were in the same room. AR can provide real-time data and visual guides that make complex tasks easier and more efficient. Whether you're diving into a virtual world or enhancing your reality, VR and AR are here to stay and will continue to evolve. Which one are you more excited about? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Acid Trend for more exciting content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.